Classic car lovers have always cherished the timeless design of the MGA, a 1950s icon that captured the essence of vintage motoring. However, what if you could enjoy all that charm, but with the heart-pumping performance of a modern sports car? Enter the MGA Factory Edition from Frontline Cars, a beautifully reimagined version of the legendary MGA that combines the best of both worlds. With a look straight out of 1958, yet a performance that'll surprise you, this retromod is all set to redefine what a classic car can be. Making its debut at the Goodwood Members Meeting later this month, the MGA Factory Edition offers a nod to the past with some carefully considered modern touches. This vehicle is based on fully restored original models from the 1950s, but it's far from a simple reproduction. Frontline Cars has added subtle exterior design tweaks that marry the old with the new. Modern LED headlights and a fresh set of 15-inch wire wheels keep the iconic style intact while boosting both aesthetics and functionality. For those looking for even more handling prowess, optional Dunlop-style alloy wheels are available, cutting down on unsprung mass and improving the driving experience. Inside, the charm of yesteryear is maintained with retro Smith's gauges, alongside a practical modern interior that includes hidden audio tech and a surprising array of modern comforts. Although the car retains the classic look, the technology inside has been updated with a modern audio system that boasts Bluetooth connectivity, 2 speakers, 2 tweeters, and an amplifier, all while maintaining the vintage feel. The interior is also customizable, offering features like power windows, heated front seats, air conditioning, and even a wireless smartphone charger for added convenience. But it's not just about looking the part. The MGA Factory Edition brings the performance to match its stunning design. Under the hood, buyers can choose between 2 engine options, both designed to deliver exhilarating performance. The first is a 2.0-liter Duratec engine that generates a solid 225 horsepower and 178 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a Mazda-sourced 5-speed manual transmission, this powertrain propels the 1,797 pounds car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. For those seeking an even more thrilling ride, Frontline also offers a 2.5-liter engine option, which cranks out 290 horsepower and 243 lb-ft of torque. This boosts the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to a blistering 4.1 seconds, while the top speed remains a heady 155 miles per hour. This performance isn't just down to the engine. The MGA Factory Edition also benefits from a fully adjustable 5-link rear suspension, electronic power steering, a limited slip differential, and modern braking systems with 2 and 4 piston calipers, ensuring that this classic car handles just as well as it accelerates. A balance of comfort, performance, and classic design, the MGA Factory Edition truly drives like a modern sports car, but with all the nostalgic feelings of driving a car that looks like it could have come straight out of the 1950s. Frontline Cars has ensured that it not only delivers exceptional performance, but also retains that unmistakable MGA essence, making it a true pleasure to drive. The MGA Factory Edition will be available in both right and left-hand drive configurations, allowing a wider range of enthusiasts to get their hands on this beautiful machine. While pricing has yet to be fully disclosed, the car is available for order now, with deliveries slated for the summer of 2026. Tim Fenna, the founder of Frontline Cars, describes this creation as a car that looks and feels like a classic but drives like something far more advanced. It's light, fast, and incredibly rewarding to drive, but still undeniably an MGA at heart. For anyone who has dreamed of owning a classic sports car, but without sacrificing modern performance and comfort, the MGA Factory Edition is the perfect solution. It's a stunning blend of vintage appeal and modern tech, offering an experience that's both nostalgic and excitingly new.